TalkBack on. Chrome. Browse mode on.
Enable text-to-speech on your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus so your phone can read text out loud for you. So here's how you can turn it on and off.
Galaxy S26 Ultra anticipates what you need next.
So first you have to open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, select TalkBack and then go to TalkBack settings. And inside the settings, you will find the text-to-speech option. And on this page, the first thing you will see is the preferred engine. Here you can choose which speech engine your phone will use. Next, go to language and select your preferred language so the phone reads text correctly. And below that, you can adjust the speech rate, which control how fast the voice reads the text. You can also change the pitch to make the voice sound higher or deeper. You can tap play to preview the voice.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And make sure the speed and tone sound right for you.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
If needed, you can also reset the settings from here. For quicker access, go to the TalkBack shortcut option and turn it on. This allows you to add accessibility buttons so you can easily activate the feature whenever you need it. And now let's test it. Now open any page and tap on this accessibility button. For turn on text-to-speech feature,
TalkBack on.
And select the text you want to hear.
Start 21 pixels. Color white.
And see, your phone will start reading it loud.
Samsung Galaxy compact fontations.
And when it's finished, just select the accessibility button. Now you have to press this button twice and it's turned off. That's it. That's how you can enable and customize text-to-speech on your new Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Hope this can help. Thanks for watching.